What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Karen. So we are going on a road trip and it's still dark outside, but it's like, see what time it is. Can't see what time it is. I'm gonna say it's like almost 5 in the morning. So we were supposed to leave around 3 in the morning and it's, let's say, almost 5 in the morning. Yeah, I fell asleep. And by the time I did get up, it was almost 4 in the morning. So I think it's closer to 5 in the morning, if not 5 in the morning already. And it's freezing outside. He's asleep. Hey guys, so it's almost 6 in the morning and we are in the car waiting for my husband. So I wanted to let you guys in on something. I got this caramel macchiato 40-ounce bottle thing at Walmart for under $5, which I thought is super cheap and good because a venti, which is what I normally get at Starbucks, is around $5.36 or something like that, $5. So I can get, like, well, if I don't drink it all or half in one day, I could probably get 4 to 5 cups, depending, you know, the serving of the cup of these, or maybe more. So I just want to let you guys know, if you're interested, if you didn't know, like I didn't know, that Walmart sell those, and it tastes good. So it's not nasty. Okay, so I think we're heading out now. Samuel, say hi. También se tapa. Boo. So we've made it to the hotel. We are 2 hours early from the check-in hour, so we're just gonna head over to the beach and see how the water is feeling. If it's cold, it's a little windy, but the sun is out, so hopefully it's not too cold so the kids can enjoy the water a little bit. Samuel, say hi.
Hi.
So we're all in like our pajamas and stuff. So why are you embarrassed? Samuel, hi. Papi. He's been eating there for like an hour now. Bury you. Con todo y chamarra. Y pajamas. Oh my God. What are those? Oh. Ah. Dile, ven. Look, you're going to scare him. Hi. His pages are so big. Look how sweet. ¿Quieres que te tome foto? Okay, say cheese. They were chasing you for the jeep, Samuel! He was getting attacked for his chip! Freaking birds! Oh my god, those birds do not play when it comes to food. My poor baby. He had a Dorito in his hand and they all were coming to snatch it or something. Oh my goodness. Samuel, no! Grab him! Grab him! Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching if you stay tuned till the end, and I will see you all in my next video.